In this video, I will show you how to synchronize data after changing the dataset structure. For instance, adding a new field or table to the released and replicated dataset. If you open the MDMS setup page, you can see a field called Track Dataset Changes. You need to enable it so the system can start recording the changes done to the dataset structure. Now let's configure a dataset. I want to adjust the items dataset by adding a new table and some new fields from the item card to be replicated. First, I will reopen all released replications by using the Where Used action. Then I can reopen the dataset to make adjustments. Let's modify the dataset. I'll go to the item line and add some fields here. For example, I would like to synchronize the description to field. I also want to add a new table in the dataset line. It will be the item unit of measure table. I've added a new table and increased the indent to create the relation with the parent record. I will also choose some fields to be synchronized: quantity per unit of measure and quantity rounding precision. Let's release the dataset. Now I will use the Where Used action to release the replication again. A dialog box that appears shows that changes have been detected in the dataset structure. Confirm to proceed. Now I can see that the system has detected the modification of the definition of the item's global fields, and the new item unit of measure table has been added to the dataset. Here, we can decide if and how the system should synchronize this data. We can do this by scheduling the task, which will be run in the background, or by running the synchronization during the user session. If you don't want to synchronize all changes, but just some of them, choose the lines you want to replicate or use the Cancel button to quit. If you choose OK, the system will synchronize only the changes made to the dataset, instead of running a full replication.